What is this? So I got some, I don't know, I got some Luna egos. So we got fire on those. Let's wait for this one. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, this almost. Now let's go. No, how's that big? No, not a far. Yo, that's good. Not a fearful, I think that's good. Oh, I thought that's banned. Where? From that Luna egg. I just got this. Are you? No swear. No for swear. Goodbye, guys. Bye. Ooh.